Hello and welcome to another update video on ICP. So the entire market is going down, so it is nice to see that some charts are still showing some upside, even though it might only be short term. That's ICP, yeah, ICP, Internet Computer. Just a few days ago, you might have watched the video, just a few days ago, I recorded a video here, upside reversal ahead. It was titled, "And could ICP break out? Yeah, could ICP break out next?" And I specifically highlighted on the day that I think it was the winner of the day or something, or one of the winners of the day. So it made sense to look into it. We saw an emerging move to the upside. And I said, look, it can break out until we actually break above $4.70. There is no real sign for a real and sustainable upside breakout attempt. But this has now happened. The idea was that we were tracking a 1-2 setup or an AB setup, and the break above 470, or 470 was the signal that this wave 2 or the B wave, basically a corrective pullback in an uptrend, was over. There are two scenarios we're tracking. Now with a break above this line, generally I think what would be really helpful from a bullish point of view, even though it might only be short-term bullish, because the long-term chart is not bullish, it's down. It recently formed an all-time low. For short-term bullish potential to unfold further, or to remain plausible and alive, ideally the price now holds above this breakout point, right? I mean, a pullback and a consolidation above would be great. For a lot of charts I've been highlighting over the recent weeks, we need to break above this swing high before the 10th of October, or where the selling volume kicked in on the 10th of October, and ICP has done that. But many charts haven't. So once we see a chart that's breaking out, I will make you aware. And if I see a chart move towards that area before, then I will let you know, okay? Now, recently we had virtuals. It was approaching that level and then broke out. We have a few others. Obviously, you know that if you watch the videos, but ICP has done it now. So I want to talk about the two scenarios. The bearish one, we need to understand which one this is for risk management purposes, is this ABC structure to the upside. I've got the first resistance around 654. That's the 61.8 retracement, an important resistance level, and also where all these previous swing highs are located. It started in March, May, June, July. Very, very important resistance area around 650, together with a 61.8 retracement. I mean, this is going to be the next objective for the bulls. I mean, I talked about the breakout possible, and yeah, we're breaking out, but this is only the first breakout level. I find this one much more meaningful here. This was the first one, no doubt, and it's something that many charts haven't done yet. Quite impressive, because ICP it's just formed a new all-time low, right? But yeah, this would be the key level, 650 area. Okay, some of these are a little lower, but it starts at 620, 630. But it's sort of an area, right? They're not all the same here, but roughly in the area around, 640, 650. So if we can break above, it opens the door to the orange scenario, that we are in a third wave, because a third wave is usually the longest one in a 5-wave cycle. And the 5-wave cycle, if it can complete, gives us a further indication that we have a very meaningful low in place. Honestly, if ICP can form 5 waves up, this would be a really good signal. Then we call that a wave 1. Basically wave 1 of an even larger 5-wave move, and the 5-wave move should be corrected by a 3-wave pullback. So we would then add support. So this is what I'm watching on the ICP chart, which means in the very short term, all eyes need to be on this previous breakout point. Ideally, it forms additional support now, and 650 as resistance. So maybe we're going to push a little higher, get rejected around 650, come down a bit, consolidate. That would be productive. I know it would be a bit boring, but it would be productive. Virtuals has done something similar, and then breakout. So this is what I'm watching at the moment. Nothing, let's say no high quality setup here has emerged, okay? That would happen after 5 waves up, 3 waves down from an Elliott wave point of view. However, we see some momentum, so it doesn't make, it's not a problem to take a look at the chart and see, what the relevant levels are. They should now be communicated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then also check out our X channel for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. You find the link in the comment section. Thanks so much, Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching the videos on this YouTube channel. If you've been thinking about joining MCO as a member, now might be a great time. You can use the link in the video description and apply the discount code right below it. You will get 50% off your first month of our gold membership, and you can explore everything we offer. It's the easiest way to test the membership, see if it's a good fit for you, and get a feel for the community, join the conversation, and I'm looking forward to meeting you in our member area.